Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll talk about Lufthansa baggage policy. So let's get started. So when it comes to the cabin baggage allowances, for European flights, economy class can bring one piece of 8 kilogram, while business class passengers can take 2 pieces of 8 kilogram each. And on intercontinental flights, economy classes have one piece of 8 kilograms and business/first class can take 2 pieces of 8 kilogram each. And when it comes to the checked-in baggage allowance, economy light passengers have no checked-in baggage allowance, and the economy class and the flex travelers can check one baggage of 23 kilogram for Europe flights, while business class travelers can check 2 bags of 32 kilogram each. And when it comes to the intercontinental checked-in allowance, economy class is allowed 1 bag of 23 kilogram and the premium economy 2 bags of 32 kilograms and the business class 2 bags of 32 kilogram each. And when it comes to the first class, 3 bags of 32 kilogram each. And when it comes to the infant baggage allowance, infants can carry 1 bag of 23 kilogram across all classes except for economy light, which has no allowance. So that was the video for today. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next video. Cheers.